Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $1 for every 2 minutes of your time. We'll see about that. But it is going to be the easiest way of making PayPal money online, so let's get started right now. Alright everybody, in this video, it's going to be a worldwide opportunity here, and I believe this could be for teenagers as well, so I'm going to go over all the details. But if for some reason this method doesn't work for you or you don't like it for some reason, check out the first link in the video description where you could check out what I do instead online, where I can make a full-time online income with the business model that they teach you in that program. You need to learn some online skills if you want to make a lot more money, guys, okay? So check out that program in the first link in the video description. That's something that I do online, and you can see how I do passive online income. All right, so let's get moving to this site here I want to show you. All right, so this is the site where you could literally earn $1 for 2 minutes of your time, and it's going to be very easy survey questions. So this site is at surveytime.io, and you'll see that this is going to be one of the easiest survey sites, and it's highly rated as well. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So get instantly rewarded with $1. So it's instantly. You get instantly rewarded. You don't have to wait or anything like that or redeem for anything. You just get cash if you want to, okay? If you guys hold on, I'm going to give you 2 more bonus sites for doing this kind of stuff. It's going to pay fast as well with those 2 other sites. So hang on, okay? This sign up is very easy. You just either use one of your social media accounts, or you can use your own email and then just start now. I'm going to go over the FAQs for you to give you more info. So how does this work? After signing up on Survey Time, you'll answer a few questions to help us create your profile, and we'll offer the surveys that fit your interests. Then you can start taking surveys and earning $1 for each one you complete successfully. So now, this is the part that I want to stress. You will get $1 for every single survey that you complete. So it really depends on how fast you can do these surveys for, okay? How can I redeem the $1 reward? There are different gift cards available for each country. So this is for multiple country. For example, in the US, the options are Amazon, PayPal, Target, and Decathlon. After choosing your reward, you'll need to follow the instructions, and we'll send you the confirmation email that can vary depending on the reward that you choose. And also in the beginning, I don't know if myself was blocking it, but I saw Bitcoin as well. There's Bitcoin available for those countries that don't have PayPal, okay? How and when will I get notified about new surveys? There are a number of ways in which you can be notified about new surveys. It's going to be text, email, or web notifications, or you can check Survey Time website to see which new surveys we have to offer. So what happens if you fail to complete a survey? If you don't complete it, basically you won't get rewarded. That's it. How long does it take? Now, this says 10 minutes to 15 minutes, but I can prove you wrong, okay? So don't worry about that. Who can use it? Anyone. Survey Time is absolutely worldwide. I don't see any surveys. Why? So this, of course, is like any survey system. It just really depends on where you are and who you are. And so you just gotta make sure you are going to be verifying, like setting up your profile in detail. Make sure you answer every question accurately. So why do I have to? Well, yeah, you gotta verify things, guys. Okay, how many rewards can I get? There's no limit on how many you can get, but it just depends on how many surveys will be available for you, right? Okay, when will you get? You get immediately. So it's very easy to earn on Survey Time, okay? So on Trustpilot, this is a legit review site from real users. There's over 3,500 people rating Survey Time at 4.4. So for a survey site, this is an excellent rating, okay? So not only this is excellent, but it is an excellent rating for survey sites, okay? So that means they're paying, and that means their surveys are good and people are liking it. Okay, so now I found a lady who is doing these surveys, and how much do you get paid? And she's saying you do get paid, of course, $1 every time you complete a survey. And then she did one for 2 minutes, and then she also did one for 7 minutes. So it's not necessarily always 10 or 15 minutes. So you can get those longer ones, of course, and hopefully you're only getting the shorter ones, right? But you're gonna get a variety. So, and she's also saying here that there is PayPal and Bitcoin options as well for most countries. Okay, so the two bonus sites I want to show you is instagc.com. This is a site where you could do various online tasks and you could earn digital gift cards received instantly. So you're going to get it very, very quickly. You're going to get paid fast online here for this website, okay? This is found again at instagc.com. So you're going to earn points for things you already do online, complete surveys, watch videos, shopping online, and searching the web even. So you could redeem your points for gift cards. Just going to put myself up here first. And because it's digitally delivered, there's no wait or anything like that. And there's a lot of gift cards. Could choose from 330 gift cards if you want to take a look. They got a bunch of different Amazons in here. Whoa, lots of Amazons in here. And different brands that I could see. So they have like pages and pages of this. So it's all gift cards though. And they're offered for brands that you would know. So this would be a good one. The last one I want to show you is called Get Paid To at getpaid2.com. This one is also worldwide, and you can do the same types of things on here like surveys, playing games. You could do quick points and do offers as well to earn. So here you do earn points, and what dollar is for 5,000 points, but you do get paid in cash, not just gift cards. So you could get cash, cryptocurrencies, and gift cards as well. So you could play games, you could have high paying surveys here if you like surveys, and then you could do offers, meaning like these you could kind of like sign up for trials or try different websites or products, stuff like that. And then for quick points, you could watch videos, you could click on ads, fill in captchas, doing really silly things online to make money. And of course, all the cash options are here. You could get bank transfer, a Squirrel, cryptocurrencies, Amazon, PayPal, and Vodafone. So this one is a really good one, and this one has been around for a long time as well and paying worldwide, and so this could be a great option for you guys as well. But of course, using these sites, even if you use all three sites, and I recommend that you use all three sites, okay? You need to use all three sites to maximize your earnings, because all these three sites, it's going to be hard to earn really big money, so you will earn a side income for sure. And so I hope you save that money and then invest in yourself with the program in the link in the description, the first link, okay? Because ultimately, if you want to really earn online, like a real online income passively, you need to learn some online skills. And to do that, you need a program that will teach you the proper way. So that first link in the video description will do that, and it will show you the things that I do online as well. So I hope you will follow my path and check that out. I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. My videos come out every week, but my schedule changes all the time. So get notified, okay? I hope I'll see you on the next one. Bye.